Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to add and manage participants in ZOHO Project, your 2025 full guide. First up, log into your ZOHO Project account. This is your starting place. It's where all the magic happens. Once you're in, locate the Projects tab. Click on it to enter your project space. Now that we've done that, look for the Users and Permissions option. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on this allows you to access all user-related settings. This helps us because it's where we're going to add and manage participants. Next up, click on Add Users. Here you can invite participants by entering their email addresses. You can also set their access level, whether they can make changes or simply view the project. The reason we do this is because it gives us control over who does what in our project. Once you've done this, click on Invite. This sends an email invitation to the participants. When they accept, they'll be added to your project. Let me explain why this matters. Without this step, participants won't be able to access the project. Finally, to manage participants, go back to Users and Permissions. Click on a user's name to edit their permissions or to remove them from the project. This is crucial because it allows you to maintain the right balance in your team and your project. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add and manage participants in ZOHO Project. Remember, this tool is all about making your project management more efficient. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for joining us today. Catch you in the next video.